expectations are this lesson will provide instruction on the materials and steps necessary to properly use a Keurig machine. Hi Wendy, I'm going to teach you something really exciting today. I know how much you love to drink coffee and hot cocoa, so I'm going to teach you how to use a Keurig machine to make your favorite drinks quickly. In order to learn this successfully, you will have to listen to me closely and have your eyes on me and the demonstration at all times. If you can learn how to use a Keurig machine, then you will be rewarded with a nice hot cup of coffee when we are through. To ensure that you are able to successfully learn how to use the Keurig machine and save you about $50 a week that you spend at Dunkin' Donuts, I need to make sure that you know how to pay attention. So how should you be listening?
Oh, closely.
Exactly. You should be listening closely. And what should you have your eyes on?
You in the demonstration.
Awesome. Your eyes should be on me and my demonstration. Now let's review some basic facts about the Keurig machine. What type of drinks can you make using this machine?
Coffee, hot chocolate, tea. And
That's right. You can make coffee, hot chocolate, and tea. Also, can you name a company that makes products for the Keurig machine?
Green Mountain.
That's right. Green Mountain makes products for the Keurig machine. Now that I know you remembered those important facts about the machine, it's time to learn how to use it. In order to use the Keurig machine, you need to have certain materials available. I will tell you what you need. You need the Keurig machine, water, which we'll get from this faucet, K-cups, and a mug. Okay. I will say it one more time. You need the Keurig machine, water, K-cups, and a mug. Wendy, will you please tell me what you will need to use the Keurig machine?
Yes, you'll need a Keurig machine, water, K-cups, and mugs.
Excellent. Nice job remembering. We will need the Keurig machine, water, K-cups, and a mug. We have all the materials that we need, so now I will tell you how to use the Keurig machine. When I know that you have understood the process, I will demonstrate for you how to use the Keurig machine. Now listen to my words carefully and watch my demonstration. First, you must remove and fill the water container on the Keurig machine. Place it back into the machine. Okay. Second, you're going to choose and place your K-cup. And I'm going to choose some hot chocolate. And place it into the machine by lifting the silver handle. Take out the old one. Third, you're going to place your mug into the tray. And fourth, you'll choose your size and press the brew button. And then you'll have a cup of coffee. Okay. Now watch closely and listen because I'm going to do it again as soon as that's done. Okay, first I'm going to remove and fill the water container. Second, I'm going to choose and place my K-cup. I think I'll make some tea. Third, I'm going to place my mug on the tray. And fourth, I'm going to select my size and hit the brew button. Now, Wendy, can you tell me how to use the Keurig machine? You don't have to do it, you're just going to tell me.
First, you're going to remove the water container, fill it with water, replace it into the machine. Second, you're going to choose your K-cup, lift up the silver handle and place your K-cup into the machine. Third, you're going to place the mug on the tray. And fourth, you're going to choose your setting, then press the brew button.
Awesome job, Wendy. Okay, now I want you to just listen. Don't answer me. When I use the Keurig machine, do I fill the water container with water first?
Yes.
And how do I know? Oh, you weren't supposed to answer me, sorry. How do I know? Because I fill the water container and then I choose and place a K-cup. When I use the Keurig machine, do I choose and place a K-cup first? No. How do I know? Because first I fill the water container with water. Now I'm going to ask you questions that I want you to answer. Wendy, do I fill the water container with water first?
Yes, you do.
How do you know?
Because first, you fill the water container with water.
That's right. I fill the water container first. Wendy, do I press the brew button before I choose my K-cup?
No.
How do you know?
Because that's what you do third.
You're right. That is what you do third. You can't pause. It's my grade. Go. Great. That's right. I do that third because first I place my K-cup before I press the brew button. Oh, we messed up. We're going to back up a bit. Great. That's right. Do I place my mug into the Keurig after I press the brew button?
No.
How do you know?
Because first, you choose your settings and press the brew button.
Because it's okay. I'm going to demonstrate. Well, no, it's correction. Okay. I'm going to review the steps of using the Keurig machine. First, you remove the water tray container and fill it with water and place it back into the machine.
Right.
Second, you choose your K-cup, place it into the machine. Third, you place your mug onto the tray. Fourth, you choose your size and press the brew setting. Okay, now Wendy, do I place my mug into the Keurig after I press the brew button?
No.
How do you know?
Because you have to put the mug on the tray before you choose your settings and press the brew button.
Awesome job, Wendy. I think you're finally ready to use the Keurig. Now let me demonstrate one more time. First, I'm going to fill the water container with water and place it back into the machine. Second, I'm going to choose and place my K-cup, which is white hot chocolate. And I'm going to pretend this time because, we're going through an awful lot. Third, I'm going to place my mug onto the tray. And fourth, I'm going to choose my size and hit the brew button. You're doing great so far, Wendy. Now you're going to use the Keurig machine by yourself and show me what a great listener you are. We're going to have to give it a minute for this to finish. My professor actually likes when people make mistakes because then we can do the correction when we go back and say it again. So good job.
Should we have the AC on?
And show your mug before you do it. You can use that one. Okay, tell me as you're doing it, what are you going to do first?
Okay.
We can switch places.
First, I'm going to remove the water container from the machine, remove the cover. I'm going to fill the machine, the container. I'm going to replace the cover. Back on the machine.
Great. And how did you know to do that first?
Because first, you remove the container and fill it with water and replace it.
Great. Now what are you going to do?
Next, I'm going to pick and choose, and I'm going to stick with the coffee, my K-cup. I'm going to lift the silver handle, take out the old one, replace it, put in my K-cup, close the container, the machine.
Great job. Yes. Second, you choose your K-cup and place it into the machine. Next, what are you going to do?
Next, I'm going to take my mug. Can you see? And I'm going to put it on the tray.
Great. And how did you know that?
Because the third step is to take your mug and place it on the tray.
Awesome job, Wendy. You're doing great. What do you do next?
Next, I'm going to choose my setting. And I'm going to do that one. And then I'm going to press brew.
And how do you know?
Because the last step is to choose your setting and press the brew button.
Super. You're right. The fourth and last step is to choose your size and press the brew button. You have done a great job learning to use the Keurig machine. Now can you tell me again the 4 steps that are involved?
Well, the first step is you remove the water container, fill it with water, and replace it in the machine. The second step would be to choose your K-cup and lift up the silver handle and place it into the machine. The third step, you would take your mug and put it on the tray. And the final step, number 4, would be to choose your setting and press brew.
Great job, Wendy. I think we've earned ourselves a nice warm drink.
Oh, thank God.
Since you did such a great job learning how to use the Keurig machine, tomorrow I will teach you how to make iced coffee and tea with it.
Nice.
With iced coffee right here. Now, delayed retention. Now that we've enjoyed our drinks, I have one last question for you, Wendy. Do I fill the water container first?
You do.
And how do you know?
Because first, you fill the water container.
That's right. Great job, Wendy.
Thank you. I'm going to look so stupid.